Hello everyone, welcome guys. Great to see you on a usual happy Monday. What's going on? How's it going? How are you today? Thank you guys for joining. Happy morning times. Good evening. Let's get into the business, guys. As usually, we have a lot to do. A lot to trade and deliver. Hit the like button, everyone. Let's get started. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome, chat. Great to see you, everyone. Come on, let's share the video as usually with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Let's just go ahead and share this. We are extremely happy to be together. $50,000 in giveaways scheduled. Let's go. And the Nasdaq delivering some of its numbers, right? Let's see, where are we? Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you, everyone. Welcome, chat. Hey. Hope you had a great day. Hope you had a lovely time. This is where we are with the markets. I'm not sure if this level is capable of holding, guys. We're looking for possibly closing that gap on 449. Look at this one, guys. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. Thank you, buddy. Feeling a lot better. Ready to do some wild business. Very productive week is going to be out here. That's what I'm expecting, to be very productive. Yet I think we're going to close out that gap. And then rally to the all-time high. Might not fill that up today. But that's definitely on the table, the most likely scenario, the most likely situation. From my knowledge, from my understanding, from my standpoint. This is a classic pattern where the markets on Monday are very likely to haunt that level. We're trading below the daily opening, below the 200 EMA, below the daily volume weighted average price, so we're pretty much suppressed. On this account that I'm about to connect, I only have to complete my trading day, so it's going to be quite simple. It does not matter how much money I make. I already hit my target. I already have consistency achieved. So I'm going to micros, and I'm opening up a position like that. 3 micros short. Three micros short. And if we go higher from here, I'm building. You know, I only need in this account, like I told you, and like you've seen in the past days, I only need to pretty much trade, right? Look at that. We're fully booked up with the profits here. That's why I'm only trading micros. I'm not into the minis right here. Thank you guys. 450 very likely from my standpoint. Very, very likely. Looks like we have a temporary position here holding the line. Yeah, I don't know how efficient is this going to be. Right, so we can easily reverse from here, easily reverse from there, very easily. You know, when we have $12, I'm gonna be out. That's enough for a quick target, right? I don't have to force it. Hey guys, welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got some great numbers today. $50,000 Ticktick Trader giveaway. So let's get ready. Come on, bring it down 2 points. And that's it. Two points. We only need that 10 trading days on this 3 accounts, and we're going for the payout. Good trading. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. Appreciate it.
Order filled.
Adding one more position to this. From my understanding, there should be a squeeze into the bottom of the gap, 450s. I'm not really seeing at the moment how we could avoid that. Hope you have a beautiful day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, like the volume weighted average price retest first. You want to get all the way into 530s. It's not easy. Yeah, we could do something from the double bottom. Right, so there's already liquidity in the candlestick. We could do things. Look at that. Already down $66. We don't have JOLTS today. It's wrong in the title. JOLTS job data comes out tomorrow on Tuesday. It's like a clickbait. Keep going up. I'll take my take profit from here. This is something, guys.
Order filled.
I've sold 2 contracts, so I accepted $40 loss. I think we're going above this level here, which is above 508. We're extremely close to that. I'm gonna set a limit order short on 500. 9, 2 minis. 11, 2 more minis. Sorry, micros. Micros, not minis.
Order filled.
One of the orders has been filled up. You're not getting the 55% yet because they have not activated, right? So 55% is starting in a few hours. They have not started, they have not activated the promotional campaign of 55 yet, right? So they are not ready with that yet. That's why, but you're gonna get 55% in a few hours. If there is anyone looking to get more accounts on Tap on Futures, you gotta wait a few hours for 55% discount. Just wait. Yeah. 55% on both type of accounts you're gonna have. Welcome. Increasing my we just gotta do some little profits. That's all we gotta do from this trade. So I'm not hunting anything wild. That's where we have the 200 EMA. So I'm going to open up a short here on my Ticktick trader accounts where we have the second cycle. If we get into that 513 or 12, 4 minis short. Meanwhile, on the other side for the Tap on Futures, it's all about the micros. All about the micros today. Let's put it that way. We're having more than $9,000 profit. We got to the target. We got to the consistency. We just have to complete that 10 days of trading. So that's why I'm not really forcing it. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on. I no longer need this limit orders. It has not been touched 1 point away on my Ticktick Trader account.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. 3
Order
more
filled.
down.
Order filled.
We have nicely DC'd here as well. Come on. 535 is enough. And over here, we're soon going to be in profit. You know, $66 is enough. We're covering the loss and we're ending up in profit. Let's do it nicely, guys. Let's do it nicely. Yeah, there is a solution, guys. When it comes down to the KYC problems on Ticktick Trader, you gotta reach out to me on
Order
private
filled.
message. Beautiful. We touched the target here, so we have done the day. $20 profit is enough. And then my Ticktick Trader is already 250. I'm putting my stop loss on my entry. We definitely need that day confirmed. Let's go, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Come on. Bring it down. Let's get to that target, guys. It's going to be the second point. We only need 7 points in the
Order
second
filled.
cycle, and we touched that. More than 500. Look at that. I'm going to get back to your question soon, but now let's run some fireworks. Celebration time. Celebration time, everyone. I'm gonna get back to your questions very, very soon. Have a look into that, guys. This is the performance. Oops. This is where we are. Oops. That's not looking bad. Right, so the first cycle ended on 24th. Here is 24th. So from second cycle, we got this. 2 days, 25th and today, 28th. On the first day, we made 2,105, and that was last Friday. And today we've got our 520, and this is copy traded on 5 accounts. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And we have $4,800 fully drawdown. 2 points are achieved, 5 more points needed. 5 more points means to make 2,500 without losing 4,800. That's where we are right now. And we are qualifying with this 5 accounts for the second payout cycle as well. We get, you know, our payout, $10,000. We move money to the live, and we are getting ready for the live account. The earliest I could qualify for this account is gonna be next month, but that's fine, basically. I mean, there's just about 4 days right here, and if I have a loss, need some extra days to cover that. Yeah, we only need 5 points, so 5 more winning days for the second cycle on my Ticktick Trader accounts. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Come on, guys. What's happening out there? This is about my Ticktick Trader and the top 20 futures accounts where we only made $20. Looking into the performance stats, We're having 3 copy traded accounts here, and this is where we are. So that is 9 days of trading. Tomorrow, we're going to have the last day of trading, number 10. And we are going to qualify for a new round of payout for 3 accounts. Good day, everyone. So let me get back to your questions. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. There's a bunch of reasons why you should like this video. Zero Cool, you gotta reach out to me once again on the issue with KYC on Discord. Drop me a message once again. Direct message me with the problem, direct message me with a support ticket you have, an email address of the account, and I can reach out for you today. They are doing the KYC verification. In your case, it's going to be done differently through an alternative method. So Nick Patel, what happened with you, buddy? You've lost your account on Tap On Futures last night trading it. Close to the payout. Stupid mistake. Never trading in evening hours. That's unfortunate to hear. Something you guys want to make sure you do, and this is something I clearly recognize to be an issue with the majority that have a problem, is when you get bored, when you have nothing to do, when you don't have any schedule, you should definitely not trade, right? So when you feel there's nothing to do, do not open up your trading dashboard and start trading out of being bored. No, you gotta follow your business model, which tells you, you trade at this hours, you do this, you do that, you know, that's the way it works. Yeah, people are used with a Ticktick trader. You don't have to lifelong for a long time. So you should drop them a ticket. Zero Cool. Drop them a ticket before you contact me, and drop me the ticket number, because I need a reference. They need a reference so we can connect that. Ticktick Trader does pay, basically. It's been online for 3 years. They've been very slow into moving people in live in the old version, but since Ticktick Trader has a new product, it's different, guys. I got paid by Ticktick Trader in 48 hours. So here's the link for those of you that would like to see. Link and coupon code. Right, it's pretty much scramble. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. $50,000 giveaway today for Tap On Futures. Their promotion starts a little bit later today with 55%. Right, so a little bit later today. Not speaking about me, the payment is not for promotion, the payment is for trading. And I'm speaking about the users that got paid, which are part of our community. There's tons of guys that got paid from our community, from Ticktick Trader. So you have to relax. I don't promote anyone that's not paying. You gotta relax. Beautiful. Exactly. You gotta decide on your session. Do I? Why do I sound much better? I've been a little sick on Friday, speaking on my nose. But today, business is different, guys. You see, we're touching the targets back and forth. And I'm not sure what is out there to be stopping us. We, as a community, we just conquer all the prizes, all the payouts. And we're going from good to good sessions. What's the best hour to trade? Well, you see it on the live stream. This is the best hour to trade for me. Look at that. This number is right here. this number is over here as well. You see it on the live stream. Pre-New York. This is the best hour for me to trade. Pre-New York session. Like 90 minutes before the New York session starts. That's when I start streaming. That's when we get into the business. Not getting you wrong, buddy. That's why I'm here. Like I said, this is very, very important and transparent. Hello. Great to see you guys. Another short. You know where? Could be on the 512. Let me just set up my other accounts. What's happening here between these accounts? There's something left. There's not much left here on Ticktick. We gotta trade the next ones on. This is the one I want to trade, guys. Top 1 futures. 151, 642. We've got 4 accounts like this. These are Sim Pro accounts with intraday. I want to short. Like the video. I want to short from 512. Listen to me, guys. And I'm not going to do micros anymore. I don't like micros at all. We've got our short set up. Come on. Just squeeze a little higher and then put it back. Your best in the last 3 hours. That's nice. Getting ready for a short here. It has not been filled up. Look at that, guys. It has not been filled up. But we have a good chance, I think. Come on, grab that liquidity. So, $50,000 Ticktick Trader giveaway starts soon. 5 minis got filled up. Let's go, guys. What do you think about this trade? I'm not going to add anything additional. That's sufficient. And I'm telling you why. If we are going higher, I don't need to add anything additional. I have to cut my trade. Right? I have to cut my trade. Not going to cut my trade on 512, 513, but 5 positions, 5 minis for the moment should be sufficient, guys. This could go all the way into 520s where I'm going to add additional resources, but in the meantime, I'm going to leave it like this. Exactly, pay people, creating bots, spread negativity, finance social media, FUD, throwing out a bunch of reviews that are fake. And this is happening back and forth, guys, so there's no reason to listen to that. Don't waste your time with social media bullshit from prop firms. You know how it works? Let me tell you something. Usually, every single week or every single day, we have one guy that is complaining in any prop firm official group, whether that prop firm is paying or not, it doesn't matter. Every single week there is, or even daily, with bigger prop firms there is daily. One guy is complaining that its payout has been denied. So the ones that are pretty much financed to badmouth are quickly picking that message, doing a nice screenshot, and then spreading the FUD without knowing the source, the reason behind the person not getting paid. The person is most of the time not getting paid because it's a fraudster, it's a scammer. Yeah, you take that message, you take that outcome, and you spread the message. The message is not fake. The message is not false. The message is fully incomplete. And with an incomplete message, where you don't provide the source, you don't provide the reason behind that action, means you are manipulating in a miserable way. So instead of doing bullshit like this, you better trade, sit down with your community and do some trading, help your community with trades and trying to make money from trading and by helping your community. Let your community reward you for value. Do not ask to be rewarded. Do not try to be rewarded by creating conflicts, building drama, and collecting people on your affiliate links or codes or stuff like that. Get out there in the markets, start trading, get better at this business, help your community, and you're going to be rewarded. We've been working hard pretty much. We've been together, guys, for the past few months here, trading together just on the stream. Think about it. And we made it to some nice payouts that you guys have seen. More than $30,000 in July. You know, this guy right here looks like needs a little pause, needs a little time to relax because he's floated by all sorts of weird ideas. That guy right there. He's constantly speaking about fast track trading, trade day, thrive, and all this kind of things. Good morning, welcome guys, make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. We got a lot to deliver. We got a lot to deliver for our great community. And we should have a lovely moment. It's verified now. Do you know why Zero Cool? Because they're watching me. I know they're watching me. I know the person behind Ticktick Trader that's watching me. They're watching the stream. $50 grand offered today by Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus accounts, which are insanely discounted. Insanely discounted. So $245. You gotta make 5% for the payout, which means 0.5% per day for 10 days. For any loss you have in the profit score game, there is no you're not going to get penalized in points from that. You're not going to get penalized. Yeah, it's very good, guys. Ticktick Trader is very good. Tap on Futures is very good as well. And keep in mind, 4th of August, very, very likely, there is going to be a new offer. Unique, exclusively available through my link. That offer is not going to be available on the official page of the prop firm we are going to talk about. On the official page, it's going to be different offer. But this one that you're going to find through my link will be exclusively unique. So if you want to use that, you can only go and apply it from my link. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to talk about it. But the scheduled time in times of 99% is going to be 4th of August. Keep some money for that one too, guys. You're going to enjoy it. Come on, guys, make sure to like the video. Let's bring up the numbers. Let's go, fellas. We got to the targets today. We're sitting nicely and comfortable in the second cycle with 2 points made on Ticktick Trader. It's going to be a surprise. It's a prop firm that's been here for many, many years. And I've worked with them. I personally work with them to create the plans. The plans will only be available for 2 months. After this period, there's going to be a massive analytics, a massive research that I'm going to conclude with the team, and we see what we can do. We see if it's productive for the company or not. We see if it's productive basically for the long term or not. 2 months, you got time available for the plans that will go live on 4th of August. I'm going to talk about it later. Good morning, welcome guys. Hey, great to see you. Good evening, good afternoon.
Order filled.
We got a daily opening here. We should get stuck by this.
Order filled.
You sold 2 minutes here. And I shorted as well 4 minutes here on the 20. So I accumulated, I added more to my position. I've been DCAing, in other words. Let's see how it goes. Looks pretty decent right now for the reaction. That's good. Bring it all the way down to 509 here. And I'm taking my profit there. Thank you guys. Yeah, I think it's going to be interesting. It's unique. It is not basically the most difficult to get to the path, which is why it's only going to be available for 2 months. We got to see if it's profitable for their firm. If their firm tells me it's not profitable to continue like that, it has to be changed. We'll see. Bring it down. We had a good entry. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Have a lovely day. Let's get after this week relentlessly. We don't have news today, but there is a lot going starting by tomorrow. You know, I'm going to do a partial exit here. I did 3 contracts, partial exit. I have to do it. Sitting on 9 minis is a little too much for me for the moment. I don't need that. Especially the entry was not basically from the highest level, so... Fireworks accounts, right? That's a good idea. I don't know what's gonna be the name behind. The name behind the accounts, I don't know. But there's gonna be plenty. I'm not sure what you meant. Protecting capital, exactly. That's why we go break even right there. Even though the markets could nicely get back into the 20s right now, and I'm gonna get wiped out for no reason. I'll exit, guys. We're break even on $5, and I'm gonna look for a much better entry. Prices will start from around $300. No, they don't have Project X yet. They don't have yet Project X. They will have Project X in the future, but it's not on Project X. Prices will start from about $300 on the 150k account. So I wanted to, you know, the priority I set has to be prices around $300. That's what people want. So we have to make sure we can create things around the price level people desire. You know, as a business guy, they wanted to do higher prices because higher prices means more money for them. And they told me if they have bigger prices, I will make more money because of commissions. And I told them I don't need to make more money. I have to pretty much get rewarded by people considering I deserve to be rewarded. Yet I want to search basically a price that is affordable. That's the priority in this whole discussion. It's end of the day drawdown, yes. So much more focused on the affordable side. But I'm not going to reveal you more, guys. $50 grand today for the giveaway. Stick with us till the end. Market is going live in about 30 minutes. I wouldn't exclude a chance to revisit our 530s daily volume weighted average price, to be honest with you. I would not exclude that. Once again, 55% discounts for top 1 futures starts in a few hours. Not going to be able to respond you to. Yeah, Apex might try to do it. Yeah, this firm that I'm gonna work with, they've been online for more than 10 years. They've been online for many years. They have been online in a very local market as a prop firm. And now they're looking forward going a little more mainstream, but in a very controlled way. So they've been online for quite many years. But I'm not going to mention right now. We're going to talk about it, guys, as soon as we get closer. And of course, the important date will be 4th of August. Straight to funded. Well, that was golden, right? Look at that. That was golden, guys. Did you got into that short on 520s? I've done 4 minis from the 520. That's the daily opening, buddy. That's the daily opening, and it's coming from the indicator. Let's find it out together. The indicator name is daily, weekly, monthly, yearly opens, right? It's done by SBTNC. This is the user, SBTNC, and it's free. You search it on TradingView. And then under the settings, you just decide daily opening, weekly opening, monthly opening, 3 months, 12 months. I'm just working right now with the daily opening. It was a great spot. We have been DCAing for our short on that 20s. And it's basically a good point to go. All the way back into the 500s is an interesting idea. Well, there is a rejection already on the 5-minute, guys. Look at that. Looking forward, searching for an entry. Yeah, that's my same opinion about Apex. Fully to be avoided at any price, right? So even if they pay you to have an account, if they give you 20 bucks, 30 bucks, the price of the account, if they give you that money to have the account and trade, you should run away as quickly as possible. Good job, guys. Good job shorting. Hope you got into that 520s we had. I've been afraid by a bounce here. I've been afraid by that bounce because we had basically the daily volume weighted average price VWAP sitting right there close to us, right? So we could have bounced a little higher, and I've been afraid by that, so I exited. I exited on break even. That was my strategy. For those of you that held through, you are getting rewarded. Especially my entry, because of the DCA condition, was not in 520s, it was a little lower. I think so. We're going to close the opening gap. That's what everyone is looking forward longing, right? The opening gap. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you guys. Make sure to join our Discord. Let me share with you my link. Hello. Good to see you guys. Look at that. No longer know how to drink a cup of tea. Falling apart. I'm falling apart. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We're having the second point. Beautiful, buddy. You're back from holidays. We are continuing our great trading journey. Have a look into that, guys. This is what we have achieved for the Ticktick Trader 5 accounts copy trading. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, we got payouts from Top 1 Futures. We got payouts from Ticktick Trader. And we already have on Ticktick Trader second cycle, we already collected 2 points. Basically on the 25th, last Friday, was the first day in the second cycle. And today is the second day. So we got 2 points, 5 more points are needed. We got $4,800 drawdown. 5 more points means to do $500 daily. And I'm looking forward for the second payout. I mean, that's going to be something. It's going to be another 10,000. And of course, Top 1 Futures only requires, on my 3 accounts that I have here, only requires 3 more days. There's going to be another payout right there. Good morning. We got 159 600s. We've got the target. We got a consistency. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my God. So in 6 days, we got to the target and we got to the consistency needed in 6 days, right? Look at that. The first 6 days. That was all. That was all. That we started filling up the gap. That we just started. That was it. Daily opening 520s. That's where you start printing. Good morning, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Have a lovely day. I'd like to short this one, but I need some green candlesticks to the upside. Will I get it? Like and subscribe. Giveaway starts soon. Come on. And of course, join the Discord. Let's bring it up to 500. I'm ready to short this one from 500. This is where we are, guys. Let's fill that up. Let me see if Top 1 Futures got their promotion starting 55%. It's gonna go live soon. Not yet. I've been sick since Friday, but I'm getting back in good business, in good shape. Gotta get ready, guys. Tuesday I'm swimming, doing the gym, and then I'm swimming. And then we've got Wednesday I'm playing tennis. Friday on tennis. There's a lot of sports going on. This is where I need some limit orders. We could get all the way into 412, 400s. You should not exclude last week VWAP closing right there. You should not exclude that. Keep that in mind. $24 points away basically with the... I'm consuming basically around 800 milliliters. That's what I'm consuming per day. Yeah, I hope to play against Zinner. Good morning, welcome guys. That's the secret tea, guys, for the moment. That's what I'm taking. That's the secret tea behind success. It is around $70, $65 to $70 for 100 grams. And that's good basically for less than a week. Couple of days, because I'm not drinking this alone. Right, so less than a week, certainly less than a week. Beautiful. So do they have 55% already? Let me see. They still have to update probably the website. 55%. They got to give you 55. I spoke with them. That 55 promotion starts. That would have been very nice, right? If I would held that. True. So you get your 55. Good job, guys. Let's just verify it. This one's, for example. Sim Pro, 150k. You should get 55 on both funding. Scrambo. Beautiful. Well, it should be 55. I think that has to be less. I think it's not fully updated yet. Oh, the total is 292. Yeah, it's fully updated. 292. Look at that. But as far as I know, I think they want to increase the original price. 649. They want to make this a little bit higher. 649. As far as I know. So if you have a chance right now, 649 is... Because I think the new discount is going to be the price slightly above the 300s. They will increase the price. The original price, I think. No, it's 50%, and with my code it's 55. They give you 50. Good morning, welcome guys. The discount will be available, you know, in a few hours or in a few minutes. They're working on the discount. They're working to update the page. They're, you know, updating as we speak. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, Tim. So let me see, because they sent me some banners. So they say with the new code, this one. Look at that. Right, and you see the price is 315. You see it down there. But in the meantime, for the moment, it's 292. It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Because I think they have not increased yet the original price. They want to increase this, as far as I know. We'll see. If they don't want to increase this 649, it's going to be 292. But then the graphic they give me is wrong, right? That's what they give me with the new promotion, that one.
Order filled.
10 minutes to go, guys. Oh, I didn't count my extra 5. There you go. I didn't count, but I think they counted. They should have counted. On my banner, they should have counted, right? You know, we'll see in 30 minutes, 1 hour, it should be fully completed on the website. Should be fully updated. 6% payout. It's very simple, straightforward. 6% payout is your target. That's what you gotta achieve. We got into a short here. 20% consistency, 6% payout. So do not cross $1,800 in a day. I'm doing great, thank you. We touched the target basically on Ticktick Trader's second cycle. We have the second point achieved. We need 7 points in the second cycle, so we got the second point today. We made 520, very important. Also got day number 9 on 3 accounts for Top 1 futures. 1 more day is needed. They updated the price. 6% basically of the original balance. That's where the payout target is, at 6%. $649. I'm going to refresh this, guys. Look at that. Now it's $6.99. And we put a code. And it's $314. So they put $40 extra, right? The 150K, the Sim Pro is $315 as it's mentioned here. They gave me the right images. So they increased the price with $50, the original price with $50 on the Sim Pro account, 150K, $50. So it's no longer $292. It's $315. That is about $22 extra per account. And the end of the day drawdown is different, right? $898. 55% basically you get with my code. Comes out at $404 from $898. They also increased the price here. $898 is right now. And it was $798. Look at that. We can still see the old prices here. They gotta change that. Let me show you. We can still see the old prices there. $798 was the old price. Now it's $898, so they put $100 extra on the original price. And then here on Sim Pro $649, and they're putting it on $699. Daily drawdown is 4,500. And I think there is no maximum loss. No daily loss, sorry. There is 4,500 on both accounts. Yeah. Without daily loss limit. No daily loss limit, 4,500 on both accounts. Here's the link. They increased the price a little bit. $209 exactly. It's an amazing opportunity with Ticktick Trader, guys. So 10 accounts right there is just crazy. 6 minutes to go. I'm going to leave this position open. I'd like to see what's happening with the markets as we go down. I mean, I hope we go down. Cryptos are dumping. $3,000 daily drawdown. It's in $100,000 account. 3,000 drawdown. 1,000 daily drawdown, 1,500 daily drawdown, depends on the account. But if we look into this $100,000, $3,000 is the max loss, 1,500 daily max loss, which is a soft breach. You got to make 10 points. 1 point means 0.5% of the account balance, so that's basically $500. You just have to do $500 for 10 days. Which is actually totally 5%. But you can have maximum of 10 accounts, which is very attractive, I think. Beautiful, guys. Let's go. Come on.
Order
Adding more
filled.
to my short. We're sitting on 6 contracts. Bring it down here on 50s. you know, my exit is gonna be obviously on the level I can have maximum profit, which is about 1,845. I think this is a good opportunity here on this account to short it with a Ticktick trader.
Order filled.
I think it's a decent opportunity here to short it and make some extra money. Let's see. You know, we got to the target here, but I'm ready to risk a little more today. I think that gap is very attractive for me. Let's see, guys, if I can get it.
Order filled. Order filled.
You know, it would be lovely another $2,500. That would help me to move a lot of the money on live. Exactly. If you use Skrill or if you use crypto, they give you additional 5%. Yeah. 209, probably euros, not dollars, if it's 209. Come on, is it ready to fall? I mean, this looks like it wants to get to those targets. It's definitely not looking like it wants to reverse here. Especially we got 2 minutes to go for the opening. Yeah. It could weak me out, especially on 7 minis. It could. But I'm looking for getting down to 60s with the opening, right? So maybe I'll take some partial profits there. Yeah. Less than 2 minutes to go for the opening. We got 7 contracts on 7 minis on Ticktick Trader and 6 minis on tap on futures. Come on. We could press the pedal. There is the risk right now with the opening to wick to the upside and then pull down. Let's see. 1 minute to go, guys. Monday openings could actually be quite aggressive. I'm risking here. I actually have my target. I'm risking with 7 minis. That's, as a risk management, not the smartest thing you can do. $20 seconds to go. $10 seconds. And the opening bell. Come on. Added more to this. I added more.
Order filled. Order filled.
And we got stopped out. Look at that. Look at that. We don't fill the gap.
Order filled.
Wow. And we're gonna get burned here as well. But this is terrible here in Ticktick Trader. We got burned with 1,600 down. From a day where we had basically our target achieved. Beautiful, right? Look at that. We got wicked out. You know, we're gonna touch the target here. Looks like. I mean, I hope we're gonna touch the target here. But that theory of getting wicked out looks like it played out. What happened there, guys? Look at that. Our profit has not been touched, and it was just a single 2 ticks away. That's madness. 2 ticks away. There was not a good starting for my Ticktick Trader account for this market. I wanted to make more, and I gave my point. I gave my point away. And I gave away $1,600 of buffer. It's not good.
Order filled.
We don't have too much room here for the max loss. That's the thing. This should be a red candle, guys. So if this is going up, I'm gonna be out. I'll put a stop loss there. This should be going down in order for my trade to be successful. Otherwise, I cannot let this one run higher. We're gonna get stopped out.
Filled.
And we got stopped out there. Yep. Was expecting some zigzag candlestick, right? That was not a good starting of the New York session, certainly not. Which is why I'm 99% of the time trading all my accounts prior to New York session. Something that I also did today, excluding this one's from the top one. But this one, it's bothering me, this Ticktick one. Now we have $2,600 drawdown, and we got to make 2,500. So it's like 1-to-1. Yeah, this is heavy manipulation. Indeed. I do agree with that. But I should have smelled this. I should have smelled this movement to the upside. Did not anticipate it correctly. And on top of that, actually prior to the market opening, I've been expecting that we're going a little bit deeper. So I can put stop loss on break even with the opening. We did not went a little bit deeper. Just a few extra points for me to give flexibility to the markets. You know, we're gonna go here for a nice payout. Again, 3 accounts. Very important. Tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we go for the payout. Not to worry, we haven't lost anything today. But I've been extremely risky, of course. Looking forward. Hitting a jackpot here. Let's go, guys. Come on. Time for some great energy. Time for some entertainment. This is the moment for the $50,000 giveaway. $50,000 giveaway. Let's get ready, everyone. Let's get ready. You got to listen to the rules. You got to play by the rules. So how to participate? Like the video, guys. I can't speak anymore. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Let's start. Good luck, guys. Come on. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess for multiple accounts. You're going to get banned. Only one guess per person. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Come on, guys. There you go. That's the end right there. This is a $50,000 giveaway for the Ticktick trader. One giveaway today. Tomorrow we have 2 giveaways. Join us 8 AM EST time. Good luck, everyone. Tomorrow we've got 2 giveaways. You came a little too late, guys. That's going to be, I think, number... We have a double 5, so it's certainly going to be 5. It's certainly going to be 5. You came in a little bit too late, guys, today. That's a blue number 5. for the winners. Congratulations. $15 winners on the list. Competing for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's shuffle them. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Because you came in very late after I've mentioned Snap. That's why, Jay. You came too late. We stopped, basically, the numbers. Let's go, guys. Come on. Tomorrow we've got 2 giveaways. Stick with us tomorrow, guys. 8 a.m. EST time. Let's go. Come on. $50,000 Ticktick Trader account straight to Funded Plus. So you get funded. $15 seconds. Who's gonna take the lead? Kimberly Carroll. There you go, the winner. Congratulations. Jamal, you got to the second. Look at that. Beautiful. Congratulations. Beautiful. Boom. Reach out to me on Discord. Talk to you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.